This video demonstrates how to install the TEL 900 door closer in a regular arm configuration, also referred to as a standard mount. Before beginning, review the installation template provided with your closer. The TEL 900 can be configured for 100 degrees, 120 degrees, or up to 130 degrees door openings. For today's demonstration, we'll set up the closer for a 100-degree opening. Let's start with the door layout. Measure from the pivot point of the top hinge and mark 7 5/16 inches over on the face of the door. From the top edge of the door, measure 11/16 inches down and mark your first hole. From that point, measure 1 inch over for your second hole, keeping the same 11/16 inch vertical position. Now move 3 inches over from that second hole and mark a third location that's 2 1/4 inches down. From that point, measure 1 inch over again and mark your fourth hole, also 2 1/4 inches down. These 4 points form the mounting pattern for the closer body. Next, move to the frame to mark the foot bracket location. For a 100-degree door opening, measure 11 13/16 inches from the hinge pivot along the frame head and mark your first point. Then measure 1 15/16 inches further for the second hole. Both should be 1/16 inches up from the bottom of the frame stop. Once your marks are complete, use a center punch to dimple each location. This helps guide your drill bit and keeps the screw straight. Pre-drill the first hole using a 3/16 inch drill bit to make installation smoother. Now unpack the closer. Inside the box, you'll find the TEL 900 closer body, the arm assembly, decorative cover, and a screw pack for metal and wood applications. For this demonstration, we'll use the self-drilling metal screws. Mount the closer body so the cylinder faces the hinge side. Hold it in position, align it with your layout marks, and fasten the top left screw first to secure placement. Then install the remaining 3 screws to complete the body installation. Next, assemble the closer arm. The TEL 900 uses a 2-piece arm system, a main arm and a forearm, along with a foot bracket that attaches to the frame. Remove the connecting screw to separate the 2 arm sections. Attach the foot bracket to the frame using the 2 screw holes you marked earlier. Make sure the long side of the bracket faces toward the hinge. Now attach the main arm to the closer spindle. The spindle is shaped to accept the arm in only one orientation. The arm should project straight out at a 90-degree angle from the door. To seat it properly, preload the closer slightly by turning the spindle about 1/8 of a turn with a wrench or vice grips before dropping the arm onto it. Secure it with the provided screw and washer. Reconnect the forearm to the main arm using the screw you removed earlier. With the door about halfway open, align both arms so they form a straight line, then tighten securely. The mechanical installation is now complete. Next, let's adjust the closer for smooth and controlled operation. The TEL 900 features 3 hydraulic valves. The sweep speed controls the main closing motion. The latch speed controls the final few inches of closing. The backcheck slows the doors opening to prevent slamming or impact against walls. Use the included hex key to make adjustments. Turn clockwise to slow, counterclockwise to increase speed. For ADA compliance, aim for a 15-second closing time from fully open to closed. Adjust the backcheck so it engages near 90 degrees of opening to cushion the door swing and prevent damage from wind or overextension. At the end of the closer barrel, you'll find the spring power adjustment screw. Turning this clockwise increases the closing force, useful for heavier doors or exterior openings. Once adjustments are complete, open and close the door several times to verify a smooth, consistent sweep and proper latching. Finally, install the decorative cover. Your installation is now complete.